create one for job in this code. Like I've dropped this collab server on our Telegram channel. Can you join this collab? Can you join this server? You will be able to see different projects. Like I do want for project here. Let me find. Just go for project with small market cap. I mean small members. Let me go for this space credits. Let me join this server. Then kindly click on you must complete few steps. Click on this arrow here. Then scroll down. Click on I have read and agree to the rules. Then click on complete. Like you need to pass through the process before you can get access to the full community. Okay, first thing you need to do once you join the server, kindly go to their community. That is the general chat here. Then click on the top here to see their mods and their admin. Okay, there's one moderator here. There's one gamer. But sometimes if the account is offline, like if they are offline, they won't appear here. So I think the founder or the developer is offline. But you can also search for job on this project. Like let me say you want to know the founder, like you want to contact the founder, like you want to do a direct approach. Just go for announcement, then scroll to the very top. This is the founder. Yes, as you can see at here they show the right founder. This is the founder of the project. Then click on message. Like I am doing direct approach. You see. Then you can also tag the founder. You click on hashtag, then click on it. Once it's online, it will reply me. Let me show you guys how to open a ticket on a project. Scroll down. Yes, there's a ticket. You can see here ticket. Like you can open a ticket if the admin didn't reply you on his DM. You can open a ticket. You can open ticket. Then scroll down. My ticket is open. I click on it here. Then I'll write my proposal here. For me, I don't go straight to the point that I need a job. At least I'm creating the conversation first. Can tag anybody, but let me leave it like this. So this is how to open a ticket on the project and how to do direct message. So here's my ticket. Once they reply me, they will notify me and I will attend to it. So it's very simple. This is the server. They are like, here is their website. You can, okay, the link is not here. This is the announcement channel. You can go through everything to know more about the project. You can go to here to go to their Twitter account. Now, here's the roadmap. So you can check it for the roadmap. Some server has the roadmap for their website. Let me find their website. I think you can even click on about us to. There's no thing here. Their website. You can also ask them for the website on the ticket you open. And they will send you the website, and you can go to the website to know about the project. So that's how to open a ticket and also send a direct message to the developer. And you can, like, as a mod, if you want to apply as a mod, you need to be active on the community for a while.